Hello guys, it's Batman here. Today we're gonna open here we have smoke alarm. Thanks for watching. Manual. Cool shot.
Yes, hello, it's me again, ya boy Crow. I hope we can make an agreement for you to forget what you just saw. That being a part in my own video that I left in for comedic effects. Like the one you're hearing now. Funny, right? Anyway, now you shall forget what you just saw.
Understood.
Anyway, here we have smoke alarm. Yes, here we have smoke alarm. Very good quality. Very battery is included. Maybe. Let's how to turn it on?
Manual.
Here we see. What the fuck?
Hi there, it's ya boy again. Sorry for the lack of content. Content being in quotation marks, of course. I'm just really out of ideas. Not that this video is much of an idea. This footage is about 6 months old. I edited it because I still wanted to upload something, even if it's a shit post. Anyway, my brain is dry and I need me some ideas. But for now, roll the outro.
Wicked!